Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anita Mariska, NPM 22,411,036, Class Management 22A. Inventory Management. Definition of inventory management. Inventory management is one part of the company's decision function to maintain and manage the company in its inventory. Some of the activities carried out in inventory management are studying for how to obtain inventory, string it until the inventory is utilized. Inventory has various meanings. There can be raw materials, acquired materials, goods in process, finished goods, even spare parts. Managing inventory amount is not as easy as one might think. If there is too much inventory, the cost for string will be higher. On the other hand, if it is not enough, it can acutely hinder the production process. Not to mention that companies have to face various uncertainties stemming from uncertainty in demand, order times to supply from suppliers. That is what makes inventory management very important. Inventory management function. Activate inventory shortage. This must be considered especially for companies that focus on producing goods. Even though in general the supply of materials is guarded to arrive off set schedule, activatory steps are still important to take, just in case compliance arrive late and could potentially disrupt the production process. Activating that inventory orders do not match needs. Conditions such as inappropriate orders may rarely occur, but it is not impossible that it could. Conditions such as impaired order may rarely occur, but it is not impossible that it could happen. Companies always have to ensure that the inventory order that refits are as needed for the production process. Be careful if the supplies you need don't exceed of the market. The main function of inventory management is to ensure that supplies of material are always available. That this step is not activated is the material companies users not found on the market. It could be because stock is out of stock or something else. Guarantee the smooth production process. Equality for companies that focus on producing goods. The production process must be assured to continue running. This is done so that we can continue to achieve profit and profit net for consumer. Therefore, inventory management is very important to maintain inventory availability so that production can continue. Inventory management workshop. Economic order quantity method. uniquely called the economic order quantity method, that is one method on inventory management by processing inventory according to order record for a claim a company get on order. It is determined by the customer how many orders, specification, and when it must be completed. That why the company will take varying things into account. This includes how many materials are needed, compilation, and the price of raw materials to fulfill the order. So later it will be clear how much is needed and the amount that will be no level material like fitting. This mode brings money benefits starting from not maintenance can and as well a warehouse cost to store remaining materials. Material requirement planning method, better known as the material requirement planning method, it is method on inventory control and planning to ensure raw materials are always available. Apart, apart from keeping raw material valuable for us, this method is also useful for ensuring small amount of inventory while sold inventory be kept in small quantities. This is because the smaller the amount of inventory, the cost to maintain in the inventory will automatically decrease. In the method, several places will be carried out, strengthening for scheduling production schedules to the very time for raw material supplies. Just in time method, this method and another term, namely the timely method, enable companies as much as possible to make sure they do not stock or have inventory, so the company strives to have or close to zero inventory. This is because if the company's position is like that, inventory cost will not be insured. But if you don't have inventory, how can you cut out production? This is the advantage of this method. The company will dare to buy inventory only when it is need, so the amount can be adjusted according to needs, and there will be no efforts to how. By building good relationship with raw material companies, make them feel like they are part of the company, so that whenever and whatever the supplier will always be ready to supply supplies. ABC analysis method. In the method, inventory is qualified where the basis of the classification is value and inventory. What is meant by value? Here is the total value of inventory, not the inventory price per unit. Each inventory item will be labeled according to its respective class. This is done as each inventory item that differently. For example, there are supplies of wood, nails, and pipes. Wood can be labeled with code A because nails need special treatment for storing in a warehouse so they don't get damaged. Then pine can be categorized as group B because it might be outside to store, and wood for nails they can be called C because even though there are a lot of them, why are more access to store than the to overall supplies. Conclusion. In conclusion, inventory management is a mode used by a company to manage all the inventory it has. Apart from that, inventory management also found attention to anticipate shortage of inventory, ensure production continues to run smoothly, activate if goods experience shortage, and avoid mismatches between inventory and needs. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.